Well, we got a cool thing here. So I picked up this 1940s World War II military generator. I just rinsed some of it off. I'm going to pressure wash it here good in a minute. And we're going to try and clean it up and get it all working good and give it to my brother for his birthday. So it's a Homelite World War II generator. So I'm going to get to pressure washing it and see what we end up with. Got a dog that likes playing with the pressure washer. So well, it's got a pull cord on it. Shut up. Kind of cool. That pressure washer does a good job. Look where I just washed that concrete. Guy said it worked. Gotta believe him. I know it was pretty dirty. Looks a lot better already. All right, we're going to start taking this carb apart to see where we go from there. So I got the air cleaner off, no sweat. Now I got the fuel line to the carb loose. We're going to take this screw and this one back in here out and pull the carb, clean it up, and blow some of the lines out, see what we end up with. So the carb come right off with them two screws. There's the bottom one. The top one's trying to get away there. So there's the top one. Should be pretty straightforward. Not sure what this valve or whatever this here is, but we're going to see what we want to do here. And the guy said it ran, so I'm going to guess that it does. Always take people at their word. I try to anyhow. So let's see where we're at. I wonder what this red button is. Kill. Maybe that's just to turn it off. I'll bet you that's to turn it off. Well, the carburetor is a Tillotson carburetor. I got the 4 screws off the top of it. See if she'll come apart one-handedly here. See what we got. Yeah, it's going to come apart. Alright, so there's our float. Surprisingly clean in there for a 1940s piece of machinery. Shockingly clean. A little bit of water from pressure washing it. Alright, maybe I don't have to do much to it. Alright, this may be the adjustment. Would this be an adjustment here? I don't know if you know what this screw here in the bottom of this, it looks like it comes up to the jet up here. If you know what that is, let me know. Well, I guess I'm right. That is a needle valve up in there, and that is a jet. So, and the bowl had a coat of grease in the bottom of it. That's why it looks so clean. But we got that all cleaned out. So let me try and blow this jet out here and see what we end up with. So I got her flipped up on end so we can pressure wash up underneath it a little better, because she's still pretty greasy in there. Get them fins and stuff, make it somewhat presentable for my brother. Alright, let's get her pressure washed here. Got a rag in the intake there. Wow, I think we got some water on the screen. Well, we pulled the spark plug out. It is a Champion J8C, and it looks clean as a whip there. So I'm going to guess that she was running, because if she didn't run with the 2-cycle oil, you'd think that'd be all fouled bad. So I'm going to hit it with a little bit of the carb cleaner and put that old dude back in. Alright, so we've got the carb all cleaned, reassembled, ready to go back together. Way simple carburetor. So it goes right here. We'll get this put together, and I don't have a lot of spark right now, and that may be because of how much water I have washed it with. So hopefully the spark gets a little better as things dry out a little bit. Well, I've got it all together. And this is the voice of defeat. So I cleaned out the carburetor and all the fuel system, and I could not get spark on it. I replaced one of the condensers. I've never seen a single cylinder engine with 2 condensers. So I don't know if it's the coil or if it's the condenser. I can test the points with a ohm meter easy enough, and it is not the points. So anyhow, the face of defeat. I don't take defeat well. And so like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you've ever seen a single cylinder 2-cycle engine with 2 condensers. Alright, I'll post a picture. If I don't have it in the videos, I'll post a picture of the underside of the flywheel. I got a couple pictures of it. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, and like I always say, God bless you and God bless America.